little chefs.
Oh, hi, little chefs. You all right?
What are you reading, Emily?
Oh, I'm reading a recipe for a story. It's quite good, you know.
It is a good one. I've signed up for that reading challenge that Stoke Libraries are doing.
Right.
Over the summer holidays, you read loads of books. Yeah, I've read that one actually. And there's a video, I watched a video of one of the librarians reading it to you as well. Gave me an idea.
What's your idea?
I have decided we're going to have a story for lunch. I'm cooking a story.
A story for lunch? You're cooking a story? How do you cook a story?
Well, I got a bit overexcited. It said to put like a pinch of wickedness in, but I put in 2 teaspoons, but I think it'll be all right.
What are you playing at?
I know, and I really wanted a dragon because I love dragons. They're just so cool, aren't they?
But they're a bit fiery.
I couldn't find any
Temper.
dragons. I'll have to put something else in.
Bit of love.
Bit of love,
Bit
yeah.
of adventure.
Yeah, adventure love. I've got them already. Let's have a bit of poodle fur.
Poodle fur.
I love a story with a poodle.
Oh, we love poodles.
Very nice. So curly.
Poodle.
What else can I have?
You could have a bit of action.
Action.
Wizardry.
Wizardry. Oh, I like that.
Ooh.
I'm going to put some silliness in. I've got a banana.
Pop
Nothing
that
so silly like a
banana in. Talking about the silliness. Banana.
Yeah.
Have you seen the banana of silliness lately?
The banana of silliness that powers the little school of improbable cooking and all our silly ideas. That's banana.
Yeah, that banana. Have you seen it, Rebecca?
No. We normally keep it on the shelf, like protected. It's amazing. It's so yellow and shiny and silly and beautiful.
It's not, Rebecca.
What do you mean?
It's in a bad way.
Terrible.
I know, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I know you're just cooking a story and you're having a lovely day, but this is awful.
It's all brown and spotty. Something terrible has happened to the banana of silliness.
What could have happened?
I don't know, but if it dies, that's it for the little school. All our silliness, poof,
No.
gone.
No.
Something terrible must have happened.
Like what?
I don't know.
I have no idea, but let's just keep cooking.
Let's cook our story.
Let's get over that for a little while.
If it's not very nice, I'm making pancakes as well, because everyone likes pancakes,
Okay,
don't they? So, right, let's see. I think it's ready. Oh, it's made a story. Oh, it looks exciting.
Very exciting. It's got bananas on it.
It's got bananas on it. That's a good sign.
Yes.
The little school of improbable cooking.
Yeah.
And the silly emergency. Oh. Well, I like silly. I'm not sure about the emergency.
I don't want to merge. I mean, I suppose.
Right.
What does it say? Read it to
says,
us.
once upon a time.
I love a story that starts like that.
A long, long time ago, an old man came to the little school of improbable cooking, and he asked for the silliest meal that we had, and we gave him a cheese sandwich. Oh, that's a.
Who did that?
That's a bit, I think that was me actually, and it wasn't a long time
Rebecca!
ago. It was Tuesday.
Were you busy reading? Is that what happened?
I don't know. And then he said that wasn't very silly. Could we bring us the silliest pudding?
What did you make him?
I just gave him a pot of yogurt. Oh no. And then do you know what he did? I remember now. He threw off his clothing, and it turned out he was a really powerful wizard, and he cursed the little school, and he cursed our banana of silliness.
Rebecca, what have you done?
Well, I've brought down a terrible curse that's going to take away our silliness
Well, we can see.
and possibly destroy the school.
How do we make it better?
Oh my gosh, we haven't got very long. We've only got a few weeks. We're going to have to do a series of silly emergency challenges to lift the curse.
Emergency challenges?
I know there's more. There's a poem and everything. That's how good
There's a poem?
my cooking a story recipe was.
Oh my goodness.
To break the curse and save the school, you must follow this golden rule. For each test, a silly answer is what's best. Now let's get started and have some fun with silly emergency. Number one. The runaway pancake.